What's going on, guys? Trying to find a trade here this morning, and we had a nice sell-off overnight. Crazy sell-off this AM. 11 o'clock last night, and we're right at a good long setup. Like literally directly on it at this point. What is it? 84.50. I don't know if it's going to head any lower. I don't know exactly what it's going to do. The 4-hour. There's also a 4-hour in this area, maybe a little bit lower as well at 56. So I'm kind of just looking for signs of reversal on different time frames to line up with the 60 so that I can just take this trade. And I kind of want to just take it at this price at the open, but I also kind of want a little more confirmation. But if I wait for confirmation, I might miss the move, or I might get a worse entry, worse risk reward. So I think I'm just going to stick to what I know and take it. But yeah, the 15-minute just shows more downside. The 30-minute, there's no sign of reversal. But the 5-minute's got some really nice kind of setups on it here. A reversal pattern right on 86 or 85. Right here. And then it comes back down into it. There's another long setup, another reversal, another long setup. So the 5-minute's showing it, but I don't know. I'm not really sure. 20 seconds, like, I'm going to have to watch. I'm going to have to watch SPX. If I see something good on SPX at the open, I'll try to get a good trade on here, long. So 5 seconds left to the open. The long is right here around 89, 86, that area. Come on, SPX. We just opened in the middle of frickin' nowhere. Well, we touched it. We touched 87. We didn't touch 86, though. ES is just hanging out. NQ initially surging. I like it. I like it. 30-minute. It's not good enough yet. Pretty crazy sell-off. Woohoo! Look at that. Not good enough yet. Honestly, I am not that confident in this long all the way up here. So the next long, what did I say? 46 on NQ. Can you guys see that on the under my camera there? Where was it? Right down here. 46, 47. This one might hold though. So another reversal long setup on top of the setup. So if we close this 5-minute in this area, I'll try to get long. That's enough. That's enough for me, but we might not get it. We might just take off from here. This is the first day of the live account. I passed the BLUSKY evaluation. Just trying to have a nice string of initial trades here. That's the goal. SPX is still dying. Let me see if I can bring that over, actually. See, we're just in the middle of nowhere. No man's land. There's a gap all the way down here at 97, but that's 10 points away. NQ's holding up. ES is kind of selling off. Relative strength on NQ. See, this is the kind of stuff I'm liking.
Order working.
See if I can get...
Order filled.
Okay, I got 85. Now let's put in my stop.
Order working.
71. So I kind of walked through the reason that I started to like the long there. All the things I was seeing. All the different information. Nice little buy up off of that too. I think we might have to close... Dang, this is... Yeah, SPX is still just dying. So once this bounces, if we bounce off of this gap fill, I'm expecting it to... expecting NQ to have a nice little bounce too. We might have to wait for this 5-minute candle to close. I might get stopped out, and that's okay. That's alright. Trade number 1, I would like to be green, but I understand.
Stop filled.
Alright. I guess not. I'm still looking for an entry. I just need a better price. Remember how I said 40? 40 is like the...
Order working. Order
40
working.
is like the drool zone, so I'm willing to take 2 contracts here. A little bit more risk. If we get it. We might not get it. I'm just trying to be as systematic as possible. I've got $2,000 worth of drawdown, so that's okay. Not stressed out about that at all. SPX finding a little bit of a bottom here. As we're coming into those highs, as we're coming into the gap, I think this is a great spot. Try to get NQ on before it takes off here. That'd be nice.
Order working. Order filled. Order cancelled.
Okay, so I got 1 on NQ there. I'm going to try for another one at 49. 49.75. The setup is right there at 47. That's a good potential entry. Almost tapped it. Almost tapped it there. That was pretty freaking close. Was that 1 tick away? 50, 25? Yeah, 2 ticks away. Shit. Turns out that first trade was a little bit early. That's okay. I'm expecting SPX to find a bottom very soon. Maybe push back up to open print. Maybe push back up to 20, 27. And that's where the really nice short will be. I just think if you weren't short up here, now's not the time to get short. And we've been known at the open to rip. Now, I don't know if we'll just rip to new highs. That'd be kind of crazy. But we might definitely push up into this area. 15 220 area. There's a lot of room to the upside here. And I want to try to capitalize on that. I really would like another contract on, though. SPX is going down, NQ is going up. That's what I like to see. I think we could get 98, 97 on SPX right down in here. Just waiting here. Nothing's going on yet. Like I said, ES, SPX just doing nothing. Put an order at 96, just in case we have some
Order working.
crazy flash. 30-minute made a new low. 15-minute reversal setup right to the 15-minute 9. Pretty good setup. Right now, NQ's just waiting. I think it's just waiting for SPX to do something. I think at some point soon we're going to have a nice sell-off. But we already kind of did. And now we need to reload for the short. I don't think it's just going to keep dying from here. That usually does not happen. The trend, the long-term trend is still upwards. We had a nice pullback. This is a good spot for shorts to cover that were trapped. This is a good spot for people to try the long for at least a little bit of a bounce. Again, we'll just kind of see what happens here. SPX is bouncing off of that. Really nice bounce here on NQ. There's no short. No short anywhere yet. I'm going to try to hold on to this. I want to see if we're going to close this 5-minute above or below that setup. There's a short setup right here. 3 seconds. Looks like below it. Yep. Still an hourly long. I want the other contract, but I want it all the way down here. That's frickin' 30 points away now, so. Give me something here. Come on, NQ. Come on, give me a little push through there. Nothing too crazy.
Order working. Order cancelled. Order filled.
Nice, got it out. Nice trade. Nice long.
Order cancelled.
I think we'll keep going, but there's not enough higher time frame setups for me to just hold on to one contract. So I'm going to try to get back in. I'm going to try to find a way to get back into this, but that right there was not enough for me to get in. And that would have been really badass if I had gotten that second contract. I was 2 ticks away. That's unfortunate. I would have sold that first one, held on to the second one. I don't want to screw with the trailing drawdown, right? So quick $357 there, but I was down 300, so really that was like a 650 trade. Nice. Nice. NQ is trying to put in a reversal setup as well. So on the hourly, this is a reversal setup. If we close up here, the next hour opens, we dip down into this candle's low, 65, 64. I'll try to get filled at like 67. That is a higher time frame reversal that I would then expect be the one to eventually break out, bring us back up to like 250. So 170 down to like 250. That would be French kiss right there.
Order working.
Try to get filled again here. I don't know if we'll come all the way back down. This is where SPX might actually come down and hit 97, 98. Might get that fill on NQ. Reversal setup, come back up, close the hour above it. That would be sick. So that's what I'm waiting for. I hope this is kind of making sense to you guys. This is my my thought process, my mindset going in, things I'm thinking about, things I'm watching. SPX about to make a new low, which might give me that setup on NQ. We're about to close at 15, so let's look at the 15. The 15 is, well, the 15 is something, that's for sure. There would be a short setup right here if we closed below it. There's a reversal short up here. There's a whole lot of not so good things on the 15. But I like to trade more off the higher time frames. The higher time frames are showing, like the hourly is showing a bit of a reversal setup here. There's no denying that. So now I'm just fighting for price. I want a good price. Now I missed that dip. That's the perfect setup. It only came down to 65. So I might miss it. And now the 15. The 15 is going to close a long setup all the way up here now. So now 79. We're not going to get 55. More people will be getting in at a higher price. We might not get it. I'm not going to chase it up there, though. I'm not willing to take it here, get stopped out, and take it again down here. No, thank you. ES is about to make a new low. NQ's got some strength. There's no denying that. SPX giving me that in the first minute, that'd be sick. Ooh! Come on, is that it? A little more? SPX is still going down. NQ's not going down. Wow. Wow. That sucks. Damn, bro. Look at that. See, the thought process is there. Dang, I just missed the entry. That's crazy, dude. Crazy little rip. And this is the one that's going to keep going. This is the one that's going to go to like 30. That's so sick that it's there without me. Oh, man. Whatever. It's only 30 points, right? Whatever. It's just money. Whew. You gotta manage your emotions. This is triggering. But realistically, okay, 52, I'm trying to get filled to 55. It only went to 56. That's pretty close. I don't think I should have moved my order up anymore. Oh, that's frustrating, man. I'm not gonna lie, that is frustrating. I might still get something, though. Now there's a setup right here. If we close this 5 minute, excuse me. If we close this 5 minute in this area, then that's a reversal setup. Just gotta wait, man. Trade like a sniper, you know? All the cope in the world because I missed that long. That's 40 points, dude. That's not no small long. I'm so not chasing this, though. You got stopped out like that. And then talk about triggered. That's triggering when you do shit like that. You break your rules. You break your rules and immediately just lose the money you made by not breaking your rules and being systematic. That's triggering. Bro, just come on, dude. Excuse me. Oh, my throat is not doing well today. One minute left. See if I get it. If not, I'm going to move my order up to the next setup after we close it. Oh man, that's trading. It's so boring, isn't it? I just want to be systematic. I don't want to trade off of emotions. I don't want to be a triggered idiot and have to explain myself to you guys. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna trade the best that I know how, and that's following my system. There's a long setup here now.
Order cancelled. Order working.
So we'll try to get filled on this one. If that doesn't work, well, I'm going to have to wait till the close of the hour. Let me guess. That was the bottom. Same thing as right here. Couple ticks over. Doesn't get filled. Story of my freaking life this morning. Getting close. Not close enough, though. Not freaking close enough. Ooh.
Order filled.
Nice. There it is. Okay. Good price. Really good price. And this is going to be the swing. This
Order
trade,
cancelled.
This trade is on to get up into this area. This could be a 50-point trade. Well, at least 40 points if it works, but we got to see if it's even going to work. I think this will be the last trade, no matter if it's a win or lose. Let me give it 5 more points of room.
Order cancelled. Order working.
Because it's such a good setup. Always have hard stops, man. Don't move them because you're getting close to it. Like, you need to have hard stops. Like, I don't know how else I can say that. You need to have defined risk on every single trade. It's just, you're frickin' insane if you don't. Just looking for it to get bought up here. And if it doesn't, I give back my profits on the day. And I'm okay with that. I've risked it. I put it on. It's a fan-freaking-tastic setup. And I'm looking for it to get back up into this area. And we'll have a good short once we get up back into here. The funny part, excuse me. The funny part is we went to that initial setup I was trying to get in the first time. When we missed it here, we actually got it here. Yo, it's stalling right here. What is it doing? It's thinking about, like, dumping, I think. It just won't move. It's really waiting for SPX. One minute left in this 5-minute candle. And it might stop me out. There it is. I don't know why it hasn't stopped me out yet. Hello?
Order cancelled.
What the fuck just happened there? $45. Okay, it stopped me out at the right price. I guess that was lag or something. So I just gave back that first trade. It's totally fine. Looking for another trade still. Where's the best long? The best long, if we make it to 0.80 on NQ, that'd be pretty gangster. Glad I stopped out there. Now, maybe I could have waited for the hourly to actually set up, which I didn't. But all those people are going to get stopped out here, and it might rip higher from there. But I don't want to touch it unless we get the, what was the setup? All the way down here at 80. So like 84.
Order working.
Now, maybe we will reverse. Put a reversal setup somewhere in here. And then take off from here, but until then, I'm not going to buy it. I'm not buying any non-confirmation setups. I'm just going to wait to get confirmation, and then we'll go from there. But I think for now, I'm going to get off the stream. I'll probably end up taking another trade. I'll talk about it tomorrow. Trade safe, guys. Have those hard stops. This is a good example why. So, peace.